Hello and welcome to One to Step. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can download Crunchyroll on Android. Well, Crunchyroll's founding days goes all the way back to 2006. But if you have not gotten into Crunchyroll yet, then here's a guide to installing Crunchyroll in Android. For that, all you have to do is, in your phone, make sure you've connected your Wi-Fi, obviously. After that, just open Play Store. Now go to the search bar and search for Crunchyroll. Search. Now the first link, that is from Crunchyroll LLC. Just click on this install. If you want to know about the latest updates, just click on this Crunchyroll, and if you scroll down, you can see about this app and click on this arrow. You can view about the Crunchyroll app, its features and the payment option. For example, your account will automatically be charged after you confirm your membership. Also the requirements to install Crunchyroll. Now let's see if our Crunchyroll has been downloaded. Yeah, it has been downloaded and installed automatically. Click on open. Now go ahead and click on this create account if you want to get started with Crunchyroll and enjoy all your favorite animes all in one place, as the tagline says. And if you already have an account, do click on this login and then follow through the prompts. Now besides anime, you can also enjoy manga, dramas, and even live action adaptation of popular manga series in Crunchyroll. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you still have any questions or comments regarding downloading and installing Crunchyroll in your Android, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.